Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Oveis Baajwa and I'm with Dr. Neelm Nosheen. We are visiting the Diabetic Center and we are originally from Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We have implemented Pakistan's first artificial intelligence technology in the Diabetic Center, and today we are visiting to see the implementation. We are fascinated by this facility. We are proud of this facility in Pakistan, like how Dr. Asjad, envisioned this facility and how he executed with all his team. This is amazing. और जैसे मैंने कहा कि we are also proud of bringing the world's best artificial intelligence technology in the Diabetic Center. This is, as of today, the first implementation of AI in Pakistan. How the organization, how it is organized, how it is treated, world's best facilities we can see here. So it's an amazing facility, and I'm really happy to see that, and I wish best of luck for the future endeavors.
Hello, this is Dr. Neelm Nosheen, and I'm basically from Atlanta, Georgia, USA, and we are visiting TDC, Pakistan, and we are very impressed by the services for all diabetes complication under the one roof. And Dr. Asjad has done a great effort in putting all the resources for all medical specialties, and it's, I think, one of the best hospitals that is providing the diabetic services in Pakistan. The other thing is that the technology that they have brought in TDC all the way from USA is really impressive, especially the artificial intelligence to diagnose diabetic retinopathy, and we are proud sponsor for this technology in Pakistan, and we are the first in Pakistan to provide artificial intelligence based diagnosis of diabetic retinopathy in Pakistan. And we wish best of luck to this organization and Dr. Asjad for the future endeavors.